Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be showing you how to take the tube across London. If you are new to this channel, I basically go through stuff to do in London, transport wise and like best places to visit. But today we're going to be doing like a test run, so we're going to be going from Hyde Park Corner to Oxford Circus. You can use multiple ways to navigate your way across the tube. You can use the TfL Go app. This has all the stations with live times and you can see disruptions on the network. You can use Citymapper or Google Maps. Citymapper is pretty good because it can tell you where the best place to stand is in the train, or the live times as well, and it can tell you the best route and also if it is quicker walking than it is getting on the tube, for example. So currently I've just got Citymapper open. It says get me somewhere, so we're going to put Oxford Circus and then we'll press go. So I think the walk is about 25 minutes in total. Yeah, 26 minutes. So it says the best way to get to Oxford Circus is get the Piccadilly line from Hyde Park Corner. See, it's going to take 13 minutes, or we could get the Bakerloo line. It tells you the prices as well, so £2.80. And it says we walk to Hyde Park Corner station. As you can see, we're in Hyde Park Corner now, so we just need to walk to the station, then go to Green Park and then take the Victoria line. So each line is got a colour. So for example, the Victoria line is a light blue, Piccadilly is dark blue, and then from that you can tell which line is what. Your Circle line's yellow, District green, so on, Bakerloo brown, Northern black. If you look on like the map or whatever, you'll be able to figure it out. I'd definitely recommend getting the TfL Go app though, because that can literally tell you everything about disruptions, and then you can also navigate to where you want to go on that. But personally, for navigation, I'd definitely use Citymapper because it's a lot more efficient. It tells you the prices. The second tip is get an Oyster Card or use Apple Pay on your phone. It is much cheaper than buying tickets, and it is also much cheaper than buying a day travel card that you can get, because with when you pay on Oyster or tap in, tap out with your card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, whatever, it is much cheaper, and also there is a cap. So for example, if you're going between zones 1 to 3, this would have a cap of £10. I think if you go sticking in within zone 1, I think it's £8 something, around £8 anyway. But I definitely recommend either using your phone or getting a TfL Oyster Card. The Oyster Cards do cost £7. You can buy them from lots of corner shops across London, or you can buy them from the machines within the stations as well. Always remember to tap in and out when using the tube, because it'll charge you the maximum fare otherwise, and the maximum fare can be about £20, I think. So you definitely want to make sure you're tapping it in and out, so make sure you double check that, because you will be charged maximum fare and you do not want that to happen. If you are wondering about train times, the tube is very efficient. It's the most quickest way to get around London. Literally the lines are running every few minutes, so you don't need to rush. You'll see everyone rushing for a train, but the longest you're going to wait is a couple of minutes at the most. Victoria line is the second most frequent in the world, so if you're getting the Victoria line, there is literally nothing to worry about at all. If you are using the buses, just as a little extra, the buses you tap in, you don't need to tap out because it's one standard fare no matter where you're going. What costs £1.75 currently, as recording this video on the 31st of October 2020 for Halloween today. That is another thing. But yeah, we'll make our way to Hyde Park Corner station. So on Citymapper, as we've got it up, you literally just need to press the go button. It says 17 minutes to get there, and it should load. There we go. I've actually never used the audio on this before. But yeah, so it moves wherever you're standing. So it's saying go down over there and then to the left to get to Hyde Park Corner station. It says it's a 5-minute walk. It probably can do it in 3 minutes, probably. And then you get the Piccadilly line and it'll tell you what station we need to swap at. So Piccadilly eastbound, it says we can probably get the one to Cockfosters in 5 minutes. ride one stop to Green Park change for the Victoria line, northbound, and then the Watford South Central, and then ride one stop on that as well. So it's literally one stop on each of the services. So we'll make our way to Hyde Park Corner. It's literally over there and down there, and then I'll show you what it's like getting on the tube. So we're now just walking towards Hyde Park Corner station. Just need to be careful crossing this road bit. There's lots of bicycles, taxis, and police cars do also come down here as well. Literally just need to get on the other side of the barrier, and then we'll be literally at the tube station. Then I don't know if you can hear the music through my earphones or whatever coming through. But yeah, we shouldn't. It's literally just there where that little wooden shed is, and then it's down there to the right. If you're wanting to escape to somewhere a bit peaceful for a walk, I'd definitely come Hyde Park Corner. It is on the Piccadilly line. You can rent bikes using Lime, Santander cycles, Forest bikes. They all work, they're electric as well. The Santander ones, depends, some of them are electric, some of them are not, so just be careful on that. But all the Forest and Lime ones are electric. Santander cycles are the cheapest option though, if you are going and go for that option. So if we just look at City Mapper now, it says turn right. We're literally right there at Hyde Park Corner station now. So the entrance is there. To the underground stations, you always see the big massive round circle as well. Get the Oyster Card ready to go. You do have to top these up. You can top them up with the machines in front, but I've already got credit on, and I have my rail card connected to it as well. So just tap in, enter, barrier opens. So there's no money on it, it will not, and then you have to obviously top it up. Most stations do have escalators. There's only a couple with lifts, so just be careful out with luggage and stuff like that. When using the escalators, always stand to the right and walk to the left. Otherwise, commuters will get very annoyed, especially in rush hour, what is between 7 and like 9:30 in the morning, and then between like 4:30 and then 6, 6:30. Each platform, eastbound, westbound, so we're going east. You can always look at the signs, it does tell you.
Will arrive in 2 minutes.
So literally only a 2-minute wait, well it's not bad. There's also the night tube here. What only certain lines run, but they do run to your main destinations as well. And you've got the standard tube map, so we are going from Hyde Park Corner to Oxford Circus, so change at Green Park for the Victoria line. Literally only 2 minutes now, so not long. It's relatively busy. So now I just need to follow the signs for Victoria line. They're located on the walls, signs located everywhere. And literally just need to follow it across. I think Green Park is pretty big, so it can be quite a long stretch between the lines here when you're walking. I have to open down a few escalators to actually get there, like. Wait. It's not really, but it's sort of one Victorian line when you get on it, so make sure you get rid of your windows. And you do also tap out, it does tell you the price of how much that journey is. And when you get to the cap, it'll just say 0 for that journey when you tap in. So you always know. And here we are, Oxford Circus. That's better, it's nice and cool out here compared to down on the underground. If you guys did enjoy the video, want to see more videos like this, make sure to drop the video a like and subscribe. That is how you do take the tube across London, and you can always use the maps. City map or Google Maps, TfL Go Walling maps, perfect for the underground. Well, thank you very much for watching, guys.